Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Promise. I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how I did this passion twist. Yeah. Yeah, see I look cute. Yeah. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Our goal is 1,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And see you in the video. Hey guys, so this is my first time doing a passion twist on my hair, so yeah. Let's just get started. Yes. So I'm taking my hair out because I folded in the night, grease it, everything for it to be soft before I start doing this passion twist. Sometimes my hair can be very hard, so yeah. So I'll be using easy edge control for my hair. I think it's cost $5. I got it from the hair store. Yeah, it's already out because I've been using it on everybody's hair. So guys, I couldn't find my rat tail comb. I ended up using my afro comb. Yes, but this hairline still came out right. Nobody can say nothing about this hairline. Nobody can say nothing about this hairline. Yeah, you see that hairline? So I'm going to part my hair into 7 lines. I'm going to cut it into 7 lines because I'm not trying to make this hair too full. It's getting hot, so I don't want no heat. So guys, I already cut the hairline. You got the pull rubber band and then do the hair. So guys, I put all the rubber band because I want it to be easy for it to take out when I'm taking out my hair. And I don't want my hair to lean the rubber band too because I don't have enough. I'm fighting hard for it to grow.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. When I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around.
So guys, we're about to start on the hair. Yeah. So I'm done with the rubber band. Yep. So about to do the hair. I wanted to do brown, but it's been a long time since I did black. So yeah. So I'm loosening the hair because I'm twisting myself. So this is a crochet hair. I got it from Amazon. You can get yours. I think it was $22. Yeah, it was $22. open it up, and then double it, right? Yeah, that's a bit. So wash my hand. Shave the hand to two, and then twist. Like, see? So you twist the other hand. I'm twisting the bottom very, very tight, and then the end, I'm twisting it loose. And I make it loose.
Then dip me underway. Fill my cup, flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. The hair came in 6-pack, and this is how it looks. I think I only use 3-pack right now. And yeah. So you just push it, you put a cushion pin inside this thing, and then put it here in there and hold it up. Oh, my hand's so shiny. And then twist the, so I'm twisting the bottom more tight because I don't want my hair to come out. So I twist the bottom tight like this. You get a look. And then just do my own setting. Just wrap like this. Right. That's it. Get ready to pull my house. So just do the same thing over and over. And then, yeah. My house. So just the hair. So guys, this how the hair came out. So I'm going to go to my intro and then see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Our goal is 1,000 subscribers, guys. So hit that notification bell for more videos like this, and see you in the next video. Peace out.